guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm so happy to be back. Today I have this tutorial of this cute bow keychain, and it's super easy and beginner friendly, so I hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, so for this tutorial we will need a 5.5 hook, a yarn needle, a measuring tape just in case you want to measure the size of the bow. I used a worsted weight yarn, and this one was by Lion Brand. I really like it because it's shiny and it looks so pretty. You're also going to need a keychain clasp. I got mine from Amazon. And in order to make the bow, we're going to be making two pieces like the ones you see here, a big one and a smaller one. So let's get started with the big one. And we're going to make a slip knot, and then we will chain 25. Okay, once you make your 25 chains, we're going to single crochet on the second chain from the hook. And we're going to be doing that all the way across, and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this row. So continue doing that all the way across, and I will see you when you finish the row. So now we are going to be chaining one and then turn our work. Now we're just going to single crochet on the back loop only. Right there, that's the back loop. So we insert our hook and we make single crochet there. And then we're going to be doing that all the way across. Remember to only insert your hook in the back loop only. Alright, so now we are basically doing the same thing as we did as the previous row. Chain one, turn our work, single crochet on the back loop only, and we're going to be doing that until you have 6 rows. Alright, once you have that piece, we're going to be doing the second one, and it's the same thing as the first one, but we're going to chain 17 instead of 25. So repeat the same process, and you should have 3 rows on this one instead of 6. Okay, so make your 2 pieces, and once you have them, I'll show you how to make the bow. Make sure to leave a long tail on the first piece that you made. So now we are going to grab the first piece and fold it in half, and we're just going to sew those 2 ends together. Now I'm just going to fold it to where the seam is in the middle, and then I'm going to grab my yarn needle and sew through the middle, if that makes sense. It's a little hard to explain, but you will see here on video how I'm doing it. And I'm just doing this so that the bow is more secure. So I go through the back and then back to the front and then through the back again. Okay, now I'm going to turn it around to where the string is on the very top. You don't have to do this, but it just helps me to close the bow in this next step. And don't forget to weave in the ends for that tail on the very bottom because we won't be needing that one. Okay, here I already weaved in my end, and we're going to do the same thing for our second piece. And I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, so here's my second piece without the ends. I already weaved them in. Now we are going to grab our first piece and we're going to scrunch it like this. And that's going to form the bow. Then we're going to grab the other piece and put it right in the middle. I try to fold it to see where that is. And then we're just going to scrunch them together. And with the strand at the very top, we are just going to be closing that. And we're going to wrap it around as many times as you think that is necessary. And make sure to pull it tight, you guys, because this is going to make the little bow strand here on the bottom look better. So just wrap the yarn around, keep wrapping until you'll feel that your bow is ready. Okay, so here I think mine looks pretty good, and then I'm just going to weave the rest of the yarn that I have here through the back. And you could do this however you want. You could do it like I'm doing it, or you could hot glue it together. Whatever works best for you, as long as the bow is secure and doesn't become undone. Alright, so this is how my bow looks, and the last thing to do is to put the keychain clasp on the very top. So I place mine on the top right there. So as you can see on the other bow, this is where I insert that keychain ring. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.